How to cancel Western Union online transfer. What's up everyone? For today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can cancel a Western Union online transfer. First step is to go to your Western Union website and log in to your account. Once you're done logging in, the next step is to go to your history. From there, navigate on the three options on your history tab. Look for the transaction or the transfer history that you want to cancel. So for example, if you're going to cancel one transaction, click on the three dots which will appear on your screen. You will see the cancel option there. Just hit cancel. Take note that you can only cancel a transaction if it's still under progress. So suppose if it has been completed, you cannot cancel it anymore because the process has been completed or done already. So that's it. Hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching.